This weekend outing is what I've been looking forward to this whole week. The flat tire could have ruined this whole thing, but luckily, I've got a Northshire portable air compressor. It is easy to store and can be placed anywhere in the car. The strong motor of up to 30,000 rounds per minute and the high-pressure propulsion system of 10 bars allow it to inflate tires of sedans, SUVs, and even trucks. Northshire features a self-illuminating dot mattress, OLED display with capacitive touch. This smart device monitors the tire pressure real-time and stops automatically when it reaches the preset value. When the batteries run out, it also can be powered directly from a 12-volt power supply, such as the cigarette.
World's first truly smart car charger. Designed in Germany, Zeus has both brains and beauty. The elegant shine lighting system provides enhanced visibility in dark environments. And most importantly, Zeus is the only smart charger that can help you find your car. When you're at a loss, simply open the Zeus app and follow the red arrow to find your car. Zeus also sports a powerful smart chipset to deliver the swiftest charge to any device. Charge 2 iPads at 2 times the speed of normal car chargers. Zeus is also the only charger to meet US military high-temperature standard. Another reason why Zeus is different. 2 times the speed, 2 times smarter, never lose your car.
Introducing Backtrack's best-selling professional breathalyzer, the Backtrack S80. Featuring Backtrack's largest police-grade extend fuel cell sensor, the S80 is the most accurate breathalyzer in the Backtrack family. Trusted by health clinics, treatment centers, and even law enforcement, the S80 is perfect for anyone seeking a breathalyzer that delivers reliable and accurate BAC results every time you test. Included in the box with the S80 are a padded carrying case, 2 AA batteries, 6 reusable mouthpieces, and the instruction manual. Operating the S80 is easy. Simply power on the device and wait for the countdown timer to begin. It's important to wait 15 minutes after eating, drinking, or smoking before testing. This ensures that your results are as accurate as possible. Once ready, take a deep breath and blow through the mouthpiece until the beeping stops. There's a miniature air pump inside the S80 that activates at the end of each breath sample. You can actually feel the click at the end of your test. This proprietary breath capture system ensures that only a precise breath sample enters the alcohol sensor, while ambient air and external pollutants are kept out. Once your breath sample has been analyzed, your BAC result is displayed on an easy-to-read LCD screen. The S80 also features many advanced controls, including changing your unit of measurements and setting user-defined BAC thresholds. Drink smarter with Backtrack, the leader in breathalyzers.
Hey Josh, it's Liz from college.
Hey, yeah,
What are you doing here?
trying to get a taxi, but my phone's dead.
Well, hop in.
Oh, thanks. Thanks. Do you know the way to South Bay?
Alexa, get directions to South Bay.
Okay, getting directions to South Bay.
What is that? I thought it was just a charger.
It is a car charger that can do a ton of other things. Alexa, play some music.
Here is the station you might like. Rockstar from Amazon Music.
That's awesome. What else can it do?
Alexa, what else can you do?
You can tell me to turn up the volume, play music, create a to-do list, or look up a topic on Wikipedia.
Alexa, where's the nearest gas station?
The fastest route to gas right service at 980 Main Street takes about 5 minutes via Central Parkway and Garden Drive.
I don't think I have your phone number anymore.
Alexa, call Josh.
Calling Josh Mobile.
Thanks for the ride. Maybe I can repay you with a cup of coffee sometime.
Sure.
Alexa, set a reminder for coffee with Josh at 10 a.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 10 a.m.